Hello. In this video, we're going to learn how to make charts in Sheets. First, open up Google Sheets. I'm using this sample data as an example. Go ahead and select this existing data from your Google Sheet just like this.
Once you've selected the data, click on the Insert option in the menu.
Next, choose the chart option from the list. Now, the chart editor will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll notice there are two menus available: Setup and Customize. Currently, you should see a column chart as a default for your selected data. You can customize this chart to fit your needs. Start by clicking on the Chart Type drop-down menu. Here you'll find options for different types of charts, such as line, area, column, bar, and pie. Let's change the current bar chart to a scatter chart by selecting the scatter chart option. And that's how you can easily switch between different chart types in Sheets. Thank you.